So while this unit project came with many challenges and successes, it was overall a wonderful experience to work with another teacher and create a unit for her as well. I think that it was a great experience to be involved in, and I think that what I learned in this class, in this course, will resonate with me for the rest of my future career and my future classes as well. One success of the project was connecting the standards and seeing how those two standards connected create a meaningful and effective lesson and learning experience. I think that using that opportunity to connect those standards is a great tool to use in my future lesson plans. I know that now I know how to use these standards in more than one content area will help my lessons be more effective and help the students foster those curiosity moments that they have, those inquiry moments that I want them to flourish in. And one challenge was trying to create a lesson plan for students I did not know. It was very hard to try and tailor my lesson to these students since I don't know their needs, I don't know their personalities, and I don't know where they're at in their learning experiences. So that was very difficult, but also a really good challenge to learn how to do that I'm very grateful for.